Hi guys, it's Master here, and today I'm going to be building a redstone contraption, and it's going to be an elevator. For Minecraft Bedrock Edition, I could also work on some other editions of, and the redstone to this it's kind of simple, but it's like medium difficulty. It doesn't require too much space like other elevators would need, like up to here to build. Now I'm going to show you how this thing works. So you stand in your elevator capsule, then you press this button, and then it takes you up. Then you're at the room at the top. Then let's say if you wanted to go back down, press this button at the top, and then your elevator will take you down, just like so. So, the materials you'll be needing are the following: one piston, one sticky piston, one slime block, redstone. Actually, you don't need one. You'll need about you need some pistons. This is not exactly for survival, but you could still be in the elevator in survival. However, I don't exactly know the exact amounts of blocks you'll need. But I can tell you you'll need about 2 observers, about 4 regular pistons, 4 sticky pistons, 9 slime block. Then you'll need about at least 50 redstone. Then you'll need 2 observers, and then you'll need you'll need plenty of, depends on how much glazed terracotta you'll need. It depends on how high your elevator must go. 2 buttons of your choice. Then you'll need at least 5 to 10 redstone repeaters and 2 obsidian. Then you'll need 64 blocks of your choice. Okay then, now let's get straight into the tutorial. So, to start off with, you'll need a 7 by 6 by 2 gap in the ground. So that's going to be 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can dig out all the blocks in the ground, like so. So, once you've done, you should have something that looks like this. It's 7 by 6 by 2. And the front, or where you get into your elevator, will be on the long side, which is 7 blocks wide. So your first step is to take out the blocks that you, one of the blocks of your choice, and at the front of it just build a cross, like this. Then leave a gap of 3, and on the 4th block, place your button. Next, just 1 row behind, you're going to leave a gap of 2, then place 2 glazed terracotta, 1 above each other, leave a gap, do the same. So you should have something like this. Now you can decide the height. So let's say if you wanted to go up by 20 blocks, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Do the same on the other side. And then you're going to want to take out your awkward planks. Place one here. Should be parallel to the previous awkward you placed. Then build across by 2 like this. Then raise both of these up by about 3. So it's going 1, 2 and 3. And then actually just make that 4. Then build 3 across like this. Then you can place one awkward in the middle. And then place 2 of your redstone dust. One, 2 like this. Then 1 obsidian behind that. And 1 redstone dust. Then go all the way down. And then on this block, place an obsidian. Then one of the blocks of your choice. What we're now going to do is take out your slime blocks. Then place 4 like this. Then put 1 regular piston on the block which is just behind your floor of your elevator. Place a normal piston. Then right next to that, I'm going to go all the way down here. Place an upside down sticky piston. What you can do next is you can take out your observers and you're just going to place one right here, and its output should actually be facing into this block. Like that. What you can now do is that you can now place 2 of your slime blocks here, and then you're going to want to place your observer just here, like this. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to take out your regular piston, and on this side, just where your sticky piston was, place upside down regular piston, and on the other side a sticky piston that faces up. And place your remaining 2 slime blocks over there. Then you can place your 3rd slime block there. Then what you can do is you can use a full block or a slab. Well, over here I'm going to use a slab, so well, it's all up to personal choice and taste. What you then can do is just build up your walls like this. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is just remove this block, and this block. And then take out your redstone dust. Place 1 redstone dust just underneath the block with your button on it, 1 directly next to it, and then 1 directly next to that. Then remove this block just next to your glazed terracotta and place a redstone dust there. What you can actually do is just place 1 redstone dust behind it, 1 block of your choice, dust, build up just like 2, just 1 block behind it, and then 2 redstone dust. Next, go right of it by 2, Then place 2 redstone dust. And then place 1 block of your choice just next to that. So you should have something that looks like this. Next, what you want to do is you're actually going to remove this corner block. And you're going to actually want to place one of your regular pistons. And then just replace the block you removed. Then put 1 redstone dust just above it. Once you've done that, you're going to want to build up. Kind of like this, so that's about 4 blocks. So you want to place 1 here, this, and this. What we're going to do is, this last redstone dust is going to be removed. And you're going to want to replace it with a repeater. And then you want 1 redstone dust. And then just above that redstone dust, or actually no, what you're going to do is you're going to then build right of it by 1, then up 1, take out your normal pistons, place it here. Now the reason why this one isn't facing the observer like it's not in line is so that once this observer has fired, this piston pushes everything up, and then this observer is then in line with this piston. So then you're going to place your remaining 2 redstone dust here. And then I'd like you to just move the one here, and then just remove this redstone dust, this repeater, then place a block just next to it, then a repeater, remove this redstone dust, and then this block, place a block here, then dust, and it should connect up like this. You can also get rid of this block. What you'll now want to do is, in this gap, just place one of your blocks of choice, then 1 redstone dust above it, and then you're going to set both these repeaters to 4 ticks, like this. Okay, so once you've done that, you are going to want to fire this observer, then your elevator will hopefully reach the top. Once they reach the top, what you're going to do is you're going to want to take out your last button, then just place it on the roof here. What you're now going to want to do is take out your block of your choice, go right off that by 1, then another 1, then you're going to build down 2 more, then place 1 block just underneath that one, then 1 to the right. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to want to now place redstone dust all over the blocks of your choice. Then just next to this obsidian, you're going to want to place 1 oak wood or block of your choice, 1 right behind that one, then another 1, then go down by 1, then just place 1 more, like so. then down by that block, then right by that block, and then you're going to want to place a sticky piston. This time, instead of pushing the observer, it's actually going to grab the observer, move it here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to want to go in here and then press your button. Actually, that will not do anything since we haven't connected the redstone to this piston, so you'll just want to place redstone like this. This is what your top should look like. Now you should try pressing your button. And now if you had done it right, your elevator would have moved down one block. What you're now going to do is you're going to want to take out your oak wood planks or any block of your choice. And on the left side, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place a block, one from the side, one below that, one to the side. For some reason it's not really working, so like it's out. So you should have something like this. So it should be going 4 blocks down, like so. And now what you're going to do is you're going to want to take this last block by 2 to the right. Then you're going to want to place your sticky piston right here. What you can now do is you can take out one of your repeaters, set it to 4 ticks, then 1 redstone dust block above that, then 1 redstone dust just next to that, 1 repeater, set it to 4 ticks, and then 1 redstone dust. And then this is what the top would look like. And then once you've done that, then press your button again. And then hopefully if you've done it right, then your elevator should go down. And then finally take out your block of your choice and then just replace these 3 blocks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test the elevator. So let's see if it can take us up. So after pressing the button once, your elevator should be taking you up. And then you can press the button at the top. And if you've done everything correctly, your elevator will hopefully take you down. Okay then guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and if you were looking for elevator design that can reach any height, then this is the best design for you. And I'm going to see you in my next video.